let's learn from it. So Soul on 2 wheels went a little too fast around the... Did a 360. Ooh, his leg could easily... Done. Okay, moving on. DWAS. Here we go. Some DWAS. All right, doing a little wheelie. Are we going to land it okay? Hopefully our steering stabilizer is going to work. Okay, it worked. Very good. We got side of the vehicle coming up, though. Good job braking. Now, all he had to do is let that person go and move around, but we wouldn't have had to have that problem if it wasn't for speeding. So we lost a little bit of rear traction there. Can easily happen, especially on a not dirt road, but a crappy road like that, and knobby tires.
Can happen on the road. The bike wanted to
moving quick here.
Skip why it's so important to wear the right gear.
Okay, so Tim Prelog, here we go. Moving through. Oh, hit a deer. I was fully expecting to turn around and do this because I thought he was going to crash. Handled it well. That sucks really bad. So crash KSR. Here we go. KTM Duke 125. And we didn't do good progressive brake pressure. So you can't just like look and hope you're going to stop. You actually have to squeeze. Hey, you're not stopping. Squeeze a little more. You're not stopping. Squeeze a little more. You're not stopping. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Weight's going to get on that front tire and stop you, okay? You need some traction and friction on that front tire. Rider for life. All right. Woo, ran the red light. Green does not always mean go. Look left, right, left. And if you're in a different country, right, left, right. Always pay attention. This looks like fun. Ooh. I know there's like some trails where it's only a one-way direction, so this like got very lucky.
Okay.
Got very lucky. Good job with his escape path. Low side crash on Highway 49 after hitting a patch of cow manure dropped by a livestock trailer. Okay, so we got some poo-poo on the ground. And that person let this go. That happens. That's great. We're all, you know, pretty decently spaced. Can't see anything because of the sun. And then we hit some poo-poo on the ground and crashed. Now that didn't look like he was low, going super low. It didn't panic brake. I think that really was a road surface hazard. That's a road surface hazard. Try to get yourself around those. So going fast in this area would have been terrible. So you see how like when there's rock slides or road surface hazards, you have to slow it down so you can navigate around it. But that would be deadly if you're going 100, right? Woo-wee. Real possibility. And then we got this guy here. Damn it, Jeff. Ryder Rick, here we go. The guy around the roundabout did not signal. Okay. Ooh, because you got panicked. Remember, if you see the side of the vehicle, orange stage intersection, this person's still going. Stop looking forward. You know they're going to keep going. Apply good progressive brake pressure. Get yourself in a situation where you slow it down and then stop versus looking this way. They're not stopping. Smash. Oh, the stupid car did the problem. The stupid car did the problem. No, we should be paying attention to this. Covering those brakes. And we talk about that in our very first unit of the MTC Rider Academy. So check it out. Links in the description. We talk about the orange stage. We talk about all the stages. We talk about planning your ride. We talk about what to look for. We talk about how to be seen. We talk about everything. Okay? Kaz's Corner. It's only $4.99, by the way. It's always a Prius. But you see how you can recognize these things when you're the third party away from it, outside of the emergency? It's much easier to do that. So slowing it down, letting other idiots do their stuff is a lot easier than being a part of it. Don't get too close. Understand that not much you can do. All right, so Zizzle-Ramaz. There we go. Going around a corner, having some fun. Okay, we got a sharp right turn. That's the signage. Always look for signage. Slow it down beforehand. Look, he didn't set him. He was going too fast, and then that second one's got him. Okay, let's go ahead and pause that real quick. We practiced that with the straight line weave. Let's make myself a little bit bigger. So when you do the straight line weave, we got a cone, 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 cone. Okay, that's a straight line weave. So with the first cone, you make it. You're going fast, but you make it. Second cone, you go a little bit wide. Third cone, you completely miss. Fourth cone, you didn't even try. It's because you didn't set yourself up for the first cone. I know I'm talking with my hands, but we have this on the second channel, Motorcycle Training Concepts. You need to set yourself up for success on the first one, so that the second one is also set up for success. If you're going too fast on the first one, you go wide and you're still going fast, guess what? You're going wide and you're going too fast for the second turn. Now you're not set up at all for that. So watch this one more time and see what they're doing. Okay, we're going too fast for, and remember, it's too fast for your skill, not too fast for you, over here. Not too fast for you, but too fast for your specific skill set. Okay, so right here, he's gonna go too fast for his skill set because he's trying to keep up with his buddy that might have a bigger skill set. So sharp right turn, slow it down. We got shot too wide. Okay, are we set up for this turn? No, we're not. So now we got shot out wide this way. Very careful, pay attention. It's always better to slow it down. It's always better to slow it down. If you need to, talk to your buddy on your cardo and be like, hey, I need to slow it down. You're going too fast. Talk with your friends. They're your friends for a reason. You don't have to keep up with them. They talk shit to you because you're not keeping up with them. It might be friendly, might be not, but here's the thing. You do you. Take the crap. Take it. This is ridiculous. If you're trying to keep up and they're going to be mean to you. Benji's moto, here we go, going through here. Oh, just got a little panicked. Got a little wide on that. Yeah, you're able to slow it down with good progressive brake pressure. You saved it. All right, side of the vehicle, slow it down or move over. There it is. Happens all the time. AZ scoots, it happens in Arizona all the time. I recognize this. Brendan's garage, New Zealand. Okay, watch out for anybody coming out. Nobody's coming out. We got, oh, guy's going a little too fast. He stayed in his lane though. Give you a little bit of a pucker factor. Mr. Max going a little fast, 80 miles an hour in this residential neighborhood, and we hit a deer. Completely destroyed his front end. You see liquids everywhere. So that force was transmitted into your body too. So hopefully he's doing okay. This is probably gasoline all over him.
I'm good.
Or anal fluid from the deer.
My baby.
True. It can happen. Going a little too fast. Not much you could have done with deer jumping out of nowhere, but it could have been less severe of an incident. It's always better just go a little bit slower. Just go the speed limit.